Hello everyone and welcome back to another easy way video where I'm going to teach you how to fix any Microsoft Office error fast, for example a corrupt file. Well, as you can see, I'm on securedata.com and you have this product that is Word File Repair. It can repair docx files, also RTF, whatever. So as you can see, it's very expensive, but you can download the demo here and this will let you repair some files. Maybe you need to repair one file, you press this, and also you have the repair online option where you can drag the file, the corrupt file, and if it file password protected, you put the password here and press start repair, and this will fix your problems with your corrupted file. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell and the subscription button, and remember to check out our channel. Goodbye and easy way.